beautiful people of the world. Welcome to episode 5 of the vlog. Exciting news, we are going on a road trip down, come back here. Come on. Down to Cape Town via the Transkei, and at the moment we're on the way to Holly Edmonds, my girlfriend's farm, for her 21st birthday party tomorrow. But see you guys there. Oh, and I'm here with Marco, my brother there.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, it's weird. See you guys. We're passing or coming into Pietermaritzburg now, and the weather is absolutely miserable. You should feel self-conscious about your windscreen wipers. They're too quick. Look at everyone else's. Okay, you can't really see now, but like there, like look at yours, and like other people. No, not them. So we've arrived. We're just gonna get settled in. That's Katie there, Holly's hiding there at the back. But we're gonna get settled in, and I'll see you tomorrow for the party.
Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me baby where the light is. I was scared of a heart I couldn't silence, but you made me feel good. I like it. Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me baby where the light is. I was scared of a heart I couldn't silence, but you made me feel good. I like it. You made me feel good. I like it. You made me feel good.
Good morning, guys. So it was a good party. HD's party was really good. Hey, how was it? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I loved it.
Katie, did you enjoy it?
Hello, I loved it, obviously.
Marco's driving.
Hello, I loved it. Thank you.
But yeah, so today we are heading to Underberg.
Hi.
We're going to watch a canoe race, I think this morning, maybe / afternoon, and then spend the day messing around there. Otherwise, we don't have many plans. I think me and Marco are heading down to the Transkei on Tuesday, but that's still a bit, but we'll see you later.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
So we're here at the River at the moment. Race is going to start soon.
We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? I don't quite know how to say how I feel. Those 3 words they're not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing cars around our heads.
Hey guys, so we finished over at the race, and we're currently here. I can't remember the place's name, but we're here for lunch quickly. And yeah, we just meandering through Underberg, looking around and stuff. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, I don't think we have too much planned for the day, but I'll see you around.
I need your grace to remind me to find my own. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Hey guys, so we're not having lunch here because Jack's too full of but there was a cool curio market shoppy thing.
Yeah, I'm
Bob.
hungry.
Yeah, we're all hungry.
I'm
Holly
hungry.
over there is a little bit hangry. Marco is just Marco. But now I think we're going to Drak Gardens for some lunch. Sorry about the shaky cam.
All that I ever was is here in your perfect eyes. They're all I can see.
Hey guys, so plans have changed again. We're at the trout hatchery, correct? Old trout hatchery, because Drak Gardens was full or closed, either way. But we finally found a place. We're here and it's beautiful. You can see, wait, no, other way, that way, there you go. See, it's pretty. Looks nice. Wait, and I'm back. We're busy eating and coffee is mandatory. Sorry that this has been a bit of a confusing one, but we're gonna eat and then I will see you back home. Yeah. Cool.
I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Hey guys, so we just arrived back at HD's home.
Hello.
Marco was our very nice driver, very friendly of him.
Hello, humans.
But yeah, sorry, that was a bit yin and veer. It didn't really make sense. But tomorrow is an exciting day. Me and Marco are driving down to the Transkei. Yeah, tomorrow. But yeah, so we'll see you then. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down at the bottom, subscribe, all that lovely stuff, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.